for some football? Yeah! You know, it's a great time to be a Spartan.
This is an amazing experience. We have over 300 Spartans coming in to help us cheer on Michigan State to victory over Central Michigan today.
Go Green! Go White! Go State!
Welcome to Mount Pleasant for the Clash at Kelly Shorts. The game between the Chippewas and Spartans has brought thousands of people to the middle of the mitten, creating potentially the single most attended event in Mount Pleasant history.
Why did you come here today? All root for the mighty Spartans for a win.
The tailgate is open to anyone that's a friend or an alumni of Michigan State University. Doesn't matter to us. We take reservations ahead of time for all of our tailgates, and as long as you register, we'll take you in.
Go Green!
We have Mark Hollis, AD, coming in.
It's not to look at this game as one day, but it's to look at the relationship that exists.
As well as Dino Felino. Sherry Jones is our MC today, as well as the dance team, the marching band will be here, the cheerleaders, and of course, Spartan.
Jack Epling, I just wrote a book, Heart of a Spartan, here at the Alumni Association tailgate, and just signed some books before the game.
On behalf of the 500,000 Spartans all over the world, we want to thank you for joining us here at Central Michigan.
One of the strengths of Michigan State are the alumni that we have spread out not only across the country but around the world. Very exciting, very big game, and it's going to be fun.